Hey, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're hitting the trails, diving underwater, or capturing epic moments on the go, a great action camera is your ticket to stunning hands-free footage. In today's video, we're rounding up the best action cameras that deliver top-notch video quality, durability, and features to match any adventure. All product links are in the description below. Let's gear up and find the perfect action cam for your next adventure.
Number 5. GoPro Hero 12 Black Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 12 Black is a powerhouse action camera that elevates the standard for outdoor enthusiasts, content creators, and adventurers alike. With its array of advanced features, it's no wonder why the GoPro Hero series remains a top choice in the market. Unmatched video and photo quality. One of the standout features of the Hero 12 Black is its incredible image quality. The camera records in 5.3K 60 Ultra HD video, offering 91% more resolution than 4K, and a staggering 665% more than 1080p. This translates to crisp, detailed footage with cinematic appeal. High dynamic range, HDR, further enhances the quality by capturing the subtle details in both shadows and highlight, delivering lifelike colors and precision. For photographers, the Hero 12 Black shoots 27 megapixel photos, ensuring that every shot is rich in detail. Additionally, GoPro Quick app allows users to extract stunning 24.7 megapixel photos from their videos. Award-winning stabilization. The GoPro Hero 12 Black continues the legacy of the Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth technology with its latest version. Number 4. DJI Osmo Action 3 4K Action Camera. The DJI Osmo Action 3 is an impressive action camera that brings a host of advanced features to adventurers, vloggers, and outdoor enthusiasts. With its robust design, excellent video capabilities, and user-friendly features, it's a top contender in the action camera market. Stunning 4K HDR video and 10-bit color depth. The DJI Osmo Action 3 shines with its 4K HDR video recording, delivering vibrant and natural-looking footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera's 10-bit color depth is a standout feature, capturing over 1 billion colors for rich and detailed videos. This level of color accuracy makes the footage look more lifelike and dynamic, perfect for capturing everything from bright landscapes to deep shadows. Horizon Steady Stabilization. Whether you're skiing, skydiving, or navigating rough terrain, the Horizon Steady feature ensures that your footage remains smooth and level. This advanced stabilization technology effectively eliminates camera shake, producing professional-grade footage even during high-intensity activity. The result is crisp, clear, and stable video, no matter how wild your ride gets. Built to last. The Osmo Action 3 is designed to endure the most extreme condition. With a maximum battery life of 160 minutes, it offers extended recording sessions without needing a recharge. Number 3. Garmin Virb Ultra 30 Smart Camera 4K HD Camera. The Garmin Virb Ultra 30 is a high-performance action camera that combines advanced video capabilities with smart features for adventure enthusiasts and athletes. Known for its durability and functionality, this camera is an excellent choice for capturing your outdoor experiences in stunning detail. Ultra HD video quality. Garmin Virb Ultra 30 delivers exceptional video quality, allowing you to capture crystal-clear 4K footage, 30 FPS. For those who prefer high frame rate videos, it also supports 1080p, 120 FPS, perfect for creating smooth slow-motion footage. Additionally, the camera offers 720p resolution at an impressive 240 FPS, making it ideal for capturing fast-paced action with remarkable clarity. Whether you're documenting your adventures or creating content, the Virb Ultra 30 provides the tools to produce professional-grade videos. G-Metrics technology for performance data. One of the standout features of the Garmin Virb Ultra 30 is its G-Metrics technology. With built-in GPS and compatibility with external sensors, this camera captures essential performance data such as speed, elevation, heart rate, and G-force. This data is seamlessly overlaid onto your videos, providing context and insight into your activities. Whether you're skiing down a mountain or biking through rough terrain, G-Metrics adds an extra layer of storytelling to your footage, making your videos more engaging and informative. Number 2. An Akaso Brave 8 Action Camera 4K 60 FPS. The Akaso Brave 8 action camera is a feature-packed device designed for enthusiasts who demand high-quality performance in a compact and versatile form. Whether you're an adventurer, sports enthusiast, or vlogger, this camera promises to deliver stunning visuals and reliable functionality. In this review, we'll delve into its specifications, features, and overall performance to help you decide if it's the right choice for you. The Akaso Brave 8 action camera boasts an upgraded 1/2-inch CMOS image sensor paired with quad-pixel technology, ensuring superior image quality. With the capability to shoot professional-grade 4K video at 60 FPS and capture stunning 48-megapixel photos, this camera is built to document life's most vivid moments. Whether you're capturing fast-paced sports or serene landscapes, the 9-layer glass lens array delivers sharp, vibrant visuals. Durability and versatility. One of the standout features of the Brave 8 is its IPX8 waterproof rating, allowing it to be submerged up to 33 feet 10 meters without a case. This makes it an ideal companion for underwater adventures like snorkeling, surfing, and swimming. The dual-color screens, featuring a front-facing color screen for selfies and a rear 2-inch touchscreen, make it incredibly user-friendly and adaptable to various shooting scenarios. Super smooth stabilization. Akaso's super smooth stabilization technology ensures that your videos remain stable, even in challenging conditions. With Number 1. Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition. The Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition is a versatile and innovative action camera that offers both 4K wide-angle and 360-degree video recording capabilities. With its interchangeable lenses, advanced stabilization, and impressive photo and video quality, this camera is a top choice for creators seeking flexibility and creativity in their content. Dual lens system. 4K boost lens and 5.7K 360 lens. One of the most standout features of the Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition is its dual lens system. This camera essentially gives you two cameras in one. The 4K boost lens allows you to capture stunningly detailed wide-angle videos at 60 FPS, perfect for traditional action shots. For those looking to push creative boundaries, the 5.7K 360 lens offers endless possibilities, enabling you to shoot immersive 360-degree footage. Whether you want to capture breathtaking landscapes or experiment with creative angles, this camera has you covered. Flow state stabilization for smooth footage. The Insta360 ONE RS is equipped with flow state stabilization, ensuring buttery smooth footage regardless of the lens you use. Thanks to the powerful RS core, this stabilization technology is now delivered directly in-camera when paired with the wide-angle lenses, eliminating the need for post-editing. This feature is particularly valuable for action-packed scenes, where camera shake can often ruin otherwise perfect shots.